Throttle.
Alright boys, we got this Honda done. Pretty much done for now. Everything's hooked up. We just welded up the exhaust.
One more cut here.
Yep, we gotta make a cut here just to finish the tip of it a little bit on there. But we'll throw in those welding clips of Blake fucking doing his thing on the old rig. So now we're gonna have our first startup done. So here we go. Let's see what this will do.
Give her some more pep, bub.
I'll fucking turn this boy on for you.
Yeah. Throttle. Hell yeah, sorry.
Hell yeah. Fire. Obviously that's fucking, I was on the pedal the whole time, so.
Boy, it's just super rich.
Yeah, so she ain't running how she should be, but we're gonna get our boy over here and get her all tuned up. Boy, we're gonna make some rich.
You can fix this rig.
Hell yeah.
You got way
son.
better computer system than I do too.
Yeah, just chucking black smoke. Might as well call her a fucking diesel right now. But, yeah, boys, we got this old girl exhaust all welded up. We'll shake weld this baby up good, looking good as no mofo. Wastegate. Yeah, like I said, we gotta chop this off here. Chop her off somewhere, just get this little piece off. And then we gotta weld a bung in for the O2 and the wideband. Boy, she's ready to tune.
You need two bungs? You need one for the O2, one for the wideband? Or just one?
I don't think I need the O2. I could he can take it out when he tunes it, so.
As long as you have intake air temperature, which should be this guy right here, right? No, that's the top position.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's Gucci mine. Yes, sir. Until we get our boy over here tuning it, I mean, that's it now, boys and girls, so. Catch you on the flip side.